Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from icse board exam 2026 class 10. The mark price of a refrigerator is rupees 12,000 and GST paid by the customer is 2160. The rate of GST is, so mark price MP is 12,000 here, and GST paid by the customer is 2,160. Therefore rate of GST equal to 2160 over 12,000 into 100. So 20 cancel. Now this is also 216 upon 12. So 12 1 ja 12. Here we simplify this by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 16 and 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 8 ja 48. So 18% is the correct answer of this question, which is found in option C. Option C is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.